Hey, what's up, everyone? Right now, we're about to open up a box of 2018 Bowman Jumbo Draft. This is yearly one of my favorite sets. I've always liked seeing the prospect cards. Still waiting to try to beat out my biggest hit ever. Back in the day, I pulled a redemption for a Bubba Starling auto numbered out of 150. I know that's not super amazing, especially listening now, Bubba Starling. But at the time, I was able to sell that card for, I think, $450 after I got it graded. So trying to beat that, odds are, won't happen, but still nice to think about. In this, we're obviously looking for one of the big autos. Hopefully that's Super Fractor right there. But as you can see, the odds are not in our favor. It doesn't matter though, still fun to open. 2018 Bowman Jumbo Draft, there's going to be 12 packs. We're guaranteed 3 autos, so we should be hitting 1 and 1 out of every 4 packs. Before we jump in, if you guys wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel so you know when any of our future content comes out. Also, if you like the video, leave a like, comment anything that you see in here that you like. If you have any suggestions on future boxes that you would like to see open, feel free to let us know. I am definitely open to taking suggestions. But let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to just a little slice right there on the side because I don't want to mess up the top of the box. All right, so we got our 12 packs. Let's get going. All right, gonna go relatively quick and just focus on inserts, numbers, and the autos. But I'll still make sure to show you guys each card that comes up. Might call out a name here or there if it's one that I like Brendan McKay, two-way player. All right, and our first cool card is a Travis Swaggerty blue parallel, numbered out of 150. So Travis Swaggerty. All right, now we're into some of our chrome cards for the pack. These are just some of my favorite looking cards of any release. I've just always liked the chrome. All right. We got a franchise future insert, Ryan Weathers and Xavier Edwards. All right. Oh, that's actually a refractor. And so is that. All right, Matt Sauer, Griffin Conine. Sorry, I forget I'm actually doing this on a video and I just kind of fan out looking at all these cards. All right, Nick Madrigal. All right, so that's 1 pack down, no auto, but still got 3 of them coming. Alex McKenna, Astros. Joe Gray, Brent Rooker, Bobby Bradley, Hunter Green Chrome. That's pretty cool. Be nice to hit one of his autos in this. Ford Proctor, Lolo Sanchez, Tyler Frank, Nick Gordon, and recommended viewing, Grant Levine and Grayson Ginesta, Rockies and Braves. All right, looks like we have our first auto here as it is turned backwards, and that is a Tyler Frank, first Bowman Chrome for the Tampa Bay Rays, numbered 37 of 75 black. So that's not bad. That is a very low serial number card for this set. So definitely excited about that. Tyler drafted out of the 2nd round for the Rays. So it's just a nice looking card. I love the black border and the chrome refractor. Awesome. All right, let's keep it going. Got to set my refractors aside. Brady Singer. And the rest are just base. All right, so usually what I've seen from this set is in your 3 autos, one of them is usually serial numbered, but not always. I don't know that I've seen too many that had multiple serial numbered cards. So I'm not going to hold our breath that any of the other ones are, but it would always be nice, and you never know what you're going to get. And Cole Cotton, Brennan Davis, Alec Hansen, Grant Little, Nicky Lopez. Another one of the inserts, a Casey Mize, trying to trick you into thinking that you have the #1 overall picks autograph when you don't. That's okay. I like the design of this card. It still looks pretty cool. It's always nice to have the inserts that are a little bit different than all the other ones. Sixto Sanchez, refractor. Luis Medina, refractor. And back to base. Lilo, Joey Wentz, Lawrence Butler, and Adam Hill. All right. So we are 3 packs in. Oh, I see right here on the back, there's a Tristan Casas base. I saw on eBay the other day that his 1/1 Superfractor auto, the bid with a day left to go was at $11,200. So congratulations to that guy. Lincoln Baker, Shed Long. White. Schnell, Alec Hansen, Bryce Terang, Cody Clemens, Andres Jimenez, Jonathan India, Lenny Torres, and we have another blue parallel. Lindsey Delgado, numbered 74 of 150. This one's chrome. Our last one was on paper variety. All right. Franchise futures for the Baltimore Orioles. And our refractors, Nate Pearson and Sam Carlson. And back to base. We're a third of the way done. Hopefully you guys like long videos, because this will definitely be one. I just can't make myself blow through all the cards just getting to the hits, because I like them too much. And I'm already speeding up way more than I would usually do if I was opening off camera, but oh well. Corbin Martin, Astros. All right, and we're into our chrome. Michael Baez. And we have the recommended viewing, Nick Madrigal and Jonathan India. And our refractors are Jorge Guzman and Kyle Isbell. All right. So after this pack right here, we will be halfway. We still only hit one of our guaranteed 3 autos. So we got a little color coming up. All right. Let's see what it is. Durbin Feltman, paper, number 290 of 499. And our chrome, Swaggerty, Fisher, Gilby, India, Cole Cottom, Matthew Liberatore. All right, and after we pull a Liberatore Chrome, we're going to flip over and see that we have a Liberatore Auto. Good thing this isn't a group break, and I had the Rays, because that's all this is Rays Auto so far. Matt Liberatore, first Bowman Chrome Auto. All right, and our next refractor is Braxton Ashcraft and Will Banfield. Kalinick, Jason Schroeder. All right. So we are halfway done with our packs, and we have 2 of our 3 autos. Guess it's always possible we could hit an extra one. But Topps and Bowman are pretty good about making sure you don't get extras in these. See a little color. It's tricking me into thinking we have a red, but I don't believe that that's what that is. Ian Anderson, Trevor Warnock, Kevin Jackson. We have a sky blue Cole Roederer, numbered 365 of 402 refractor. And the one that was teasing me into thinking we might have had something red was the franchise futures for the Diamondbacks. And then our refractors, Joe Gray and Carlos Cortez. And then, another Cortez. Running through the rest of our base. Try not to spread out the cards on the side so I can't see if there's color coming. It's not gonna lie, when I see a little bit, I just stop paying attention to the cards that are in front of me, waiting to get to that. Another Swaggerty, Logan Gilbert, Keibert Ruiz, John Duplantier, Anthony Siegler, recommended viewings, Griffin Conine and Josh Stowers. And our refractors are Josh Naylor and Grant Witherspoon. All right. Hopefully I'm giving you guys enough time to see each of the base cards in case you want to. I know some people here are only here for the hits. That's okay. But I still like going through all of them. All right, we are on our last stack. We are 2/3 of the way through these cards. J.B. Kauskas. Wonder if he's going to stay with the Astros or end up getting traded this offseason. Brady Singer. All right. And we're into our chromes. Michael Baez, Jared Kalinick, Alex McKenna, Grayson Rodriguez, another insert. Yusniel Diaz is one of our refractors, and Drew Ellis. And then back to base. All right. Definitely wondering who our last auto is going to be. Hoping it's somebody super awesome. And just so you guys know, I know on the channel I've mentioned before that we sell some of our big hits on eBay. Just so you guys know, the reason we do that is not trying to make a profit. Anything that we sell on eBay goes directly back into buying another box, so we can keep making some videos here on the channel. So keep that in mind if you ever are interested in any of the cards. It does help the channel grow. And we have a purple paper Anthony Siegler, number 25 of 250 for the Yankees. And we're into our chrome now. All right, so I'm going to guess that our next auto is going to be Shane McClanahan. I don't know why. It's a Ray, so I figure that we're going to get all Rays. All right. Futures, Jared Kelenic and Carlos Cortez. He's not really going to be much of their future now since he's not on their team anymore. Oh, we do have a backwards card here. I guess that's going to be our third auto. And I was incorrect. It is Logan Gilbert for the Seattle Mariners. We got a purple. So we actually got 2 numbered autos in this set, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. So we got Logan Gilbert, numbered 103 of 250. All right, and our refractors, Pavin Smith and Nick Madrigal. All right. So that should do it for our autographs. We do still have 2 packs left. Completely possible to hit some more serial numbered cards. All right, about to get into our chrome. Ian Anderson, Bo Bichette, Matt Mercer, Alex Kirilloff, Simeon Woods Richardson. We got one of these shimmer refractors from Cody Clemens. That is a pretty sweet looking card. It is not numbered or anything, but still pretty awesome. Really wish that the Astros could have gotten Clemens in their system like they had done before with one of Rogers' kids. Pretty cool looking card. All right. And we got recommended viewings. We have Josh Stowers and Nick Decker as our refractors. And finishing up the base, all right, and going into our last pack. All right, and we're into our chrome. Josh Breaux, Brent Rooker, Shane McClanahan, the guy I thought we were going to have an auto of, John Duplantier, Nolan Gorman, Jesus Sanchez. We have another Casey Mize Bowman Sterling insert. Well, we have another insert of Casey Mize. This one's Bowman Sterling. At least the inserts we're getting are of the top overall pick. And then we have our refractors, Jameson Hanna and Nick Dunn. And we are now done with any of the hits. Just finish this up so we can say we looked at every single card. All right. So just to give you guys a quick recap of some of our hits, we had the Cody Clemens Shimmer Refractor. We have several serial number cards. Anthony Sinkler out of 250. Cole Roederer out of 402. Durbin Feltman out of 499. Lindsey Delgado out of 150. And Travis Swaggerty out of 150. And then our autos, we had Matthew Liberatore. We have Logan Gilbert, purple refractor, numbered out of 250. And then we had Tyler Frank, black refractor, numbered out of 75. And then we had several regular refractors, but we won't go through those again. Well, guys, thank you again for watching. I appreciate it if you stuck around through the end of this entire video. Like I said before, we do list our hits on eBay, so you can check out our store at ks-sports-cards. And again, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see opened. All right, thanks, guys. See ya.